Happy Halloween, everybody. A candle I made. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, which everyone is new here, I don't have any followers yet, but I want to take you on the journey with me of my candle making. So it's been a while since I've been here. A couple things have changed, so I do want to update you on what has been going on. So I am a very busy lady. For those of you who don't know, which again, nobody knows, I don't have any followers, but hopefully that changes soon. I intend to allow you all to see my journey and hopefully help anyone who wants to join in all the fun. So I have made a few things, I've done a few things. I've decided to go ahead and start my business with wax melts because candles are not as easy as they may seem. I don't want to intimidate anyone, but I do want to be realistic about getting into candle making. And that also doesn't mean that it's as hard for everyone either. Some, like most things in the world, some things are just harder for others than others. Anyway, so it has been a struggle for me to make candles. But I did wax melts too, and I've been able to perfect that, so to speak. And because I am able to do those and I don't have any problem doing those, I've decided to start there while in the background still making candles. As you saw at the beginning of the video, this pumpkin that I made, it actually turned out really, really good. I mean, it's smooth. I know it might be hard for y'all to see. Let me see if I can get that in there good. It's really smooth. So it came out really good. I haven't tested it yet though. So it's more so for decorations. But I will be testing it today because it's Halloween. So again, not to intimidate anyone, but just to be realistic about the fact that candles can be more difficult than we might think. I will say, I honestly thought wax, wicks, jar, candle. And I think anyone who's not really in the craft probably thinks that way too. And essentially it is that, but it's a matter of finding that right combination of your vessel, your wax, and your wick. And then testing all of that, deciding on the fragrance that you're going to use, and then testing that as well. So I'll say the big takeaway from candle making is test, test, test. So, here's a couple of wax melts that I have made. I decided to go to Snap Bars. I think it's still, a work in progress. But for the month of October, I was doing ribbon melts. So those are these right here. You can see those really good. Hopefully, I don't want to be. I'll do it over here. Sorry. So ribbon melts for breast cancer awareness. So I did do those. And those, they smell so good, and they turned out really good. Better than I would have expected. Oh, so I'm new to this. Hopefully, over time, I will get better at it. But we all gotta start somewhere. So, oh, they smell so good. So, here's one, and what it looks like outside of the package. The ribbon melt. And again, like I said, they smell really good. Breast cancer awareness. So, definitely, if you know anyone who is suffering from that disease or has survived so far, thankfully from that disease, like recovered and in remission from that disease, I would say do anything that you can to support. I was currently doing a fundraiser with Susan G. Komen for those wax melts as well, as a just to try to do something for the cause. And then here's my snap bar wax melts. You can see those. I know it's kind of, maybe I should take it out. That would be so funny if I was watching somebody's video. I was like, can you take it out? I will take it out for you all to see. And they smell so good. Ooh, goodness gracious. This is apples and maple bourbon. If anybody smells that scent and you like it, it is lovely. It smells so good. Man. And these bags hold the scent in really well. They hold the scent really well. So I just wanted to get back on here and kind of reintroduce myself a little bit, and just kind of let you know where I was right now, give you a little bit of an update. And again, if there's any way that I can help anyone, because I didn't get here on my own, I am willing to help. So thank you for watching. I hope that you like this content. If you do, please hit like and subscribe and leave a comment if you like. Thank you, and I will see you all next time.